Ever thought about making money online? Have you heard about Amazon affiliate marketing? It's a strategy where you promote products from Amazon's vast catalog and earn commission from the purchases made through your referral links. This innovative approach to online income generation is not only lucrative, but also flexible, allowing you to work from anywhere at any time. It's a world teeming with potential, just waiting for you to tap into it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start your own Amazon affiliate marketing journey. First off, let's understand what Amazon affiliate marketing really is. Amazon affiliate marketing is a program that enables bloggers, YouTubers, influencers, and essentially anyone with an online presence to earn a commission by promoting products sold on Amazon's marketplace. Essentially, you become a virtual salesman for the world's largest online retailer. Here's how it works. You start by signing up for the Amazon affiliate program. Once approved, you can browse through millions of products on Amazon and choose the ones you want to promote. For every product you select, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This is where the magic happens. You share this link on your blog, YouTube channel, or any other platform that you use. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of this is that you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Amazon takes care of all that. Your job is just to connect a potential customer with the product they're looking for. Now, you might be wondering why Amazon would share its profits with affiliates. It's simple. Amazon benefits because its products are getting more exposure, which leads to more sales. It's a win-win situation. Think of it like this. Amazon is an enormous shopping mall, and you're a tour guide. Your role is to guide shoppers to the stores or products they might be interested in. For your services, you get a cut of whatever they spend. But it's not just about making money. Being an Amazon affiliate allows you to provide valuable content to your audience. You can share your personal experiences, reviews, and recommendations, thereby building trust and credibility. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where everyone benefits. Amazon makes a sale, the customer finds what they're looking for, and you earn a commission. So that's the basic concept of Amazon affiliate marketing. Now let's dive into how you can get started. Ready to get started? Here's what you need to do. The first step in your Amazon affiliate marketing journey is to create an Amazon account. It's as simple as visiting Amazon's homepage and clicking on the Create Your Amazon Account button. Fill in your details and voila, you're a part of the Amazon community. Now that you have an Amazon account, it's time to join the Amazon affiliate program. This program, also known as Amazon Associates, is free to join and is the gateway to earning commissions on products sold through your promotional efforts. To join, head over to the Amazon Associates homepage and click on Join Now for free. You'll be asked to provide some information about your website, blog, or social media where you'll promote Amazon products. Don't worry if you're just starting out and don't have a large audience yet. What's more important is your enthusiasm and willingness to grow. Once you're part of the Amazon Associates program, it's time to choose products to promote. This is a crucial step, so take your time. It's important to choose products that align with your platform's theme or niche. For instance, if your blog is about fitness, promoting fitness-related products would be a good fit. Remember, authenticity is key. Your audience can tell when you're promoting a product just for the sake of making a sale. So choose products you genuinely believe in and would personally use. As you select products, Amazon will provide you with unique affiliate links for each one. These links will be your bread and butter. Every time someone makes a purchase through one of your links, you earn a commission. So make sure to incorporate these links strategically into your content. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to promote them. Let's discuss how to do that effectively. Promoting products is where the real work begins, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Now let's talk about how to promote products effectively. This is an art and a science combined, and it's where you'll spend most of your time and energy. But done right, it can be the key to unlocking substantial earning potential. Firstly, you must focus on creating quality content. This content should be engaging, relatable, and most importantly, valuable to your audience. Whether it's product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison posts, your content should provide real value, solving problems or answering questions for your potential customers. The goal here is to build trust and credibility with your audience. The more they trust you, the more likely they are to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Next, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your content so it ranks higher in search engine results. The higher you rank, the more visibility you get, and the more likely people are to see your content. This means using relevant keywords, optimizing your meta descriptions, and ensuring your site is user-friendly. Social media is another powerful tool for promotion. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be incredibly effective at driving traffic to your website. But remember, social media is about engagement. Don't just post links to your content, engage with your followers, respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community. Email marketing is yet another effective promotion strategy. Building an email list allows you to keep in touch with your audience, provide them with valuable content, and promote your affiliate links. It's a direct line of communication that can be incredibly effective. And finally, paid advertising. This involves paying for ads on platforms like Google or Facebook to drive traffic to your site. It can be a great way to get your content in front of a wider audience quickly. Remember, consistency is key. Keep promoting and tweaking your strategies as you go. And above all, keep learning and experimenting. What works for one person might not work for another. So don't be afraid to try new things, and most importantly, don't give up. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's revisit the key points. We commenced our journey by introducing you to the world of Amazon affiliate marketing, a lucrative platform that connects the dots between online entrepreneurs and the vast product range of Amazon. It's a simple yet effective way to generate income by promoting products that align with your brand or blog. Next, we dove deeper into understanding the mechanics of this platform. We learned that Amazon affiliate marketing is not just about promoting any product, but about promoting the right products, those that resonate with your audience. And how does one identify the right products? By knowing your audience, understanding their needs and preferences, and then curating your product promotions accordingly. Following this, we embarked on the practical steps to kickstart your journey with Amazon affiliate marketing. We highlighted the importance of signing up for the Amazon affiliate program, setting up your affiliate account, and integrating it seamlessly with your online platform. Subsequently, we delved into the art of promoting products effectively. We emphasized the importance of crafting compelling content, harnessing the power of SEO, leveraging social media, and employing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and boost conversions. By following these steps and being consistent, you can start earning with Amazon affiliate marketing. All the best on your online money-making journey.